Most people panic when they see a credit inquiry on their report. And here's the truth: no one tells you. Not all inquiries are the same, and misunderstanding them can actually hurt your chances of getting approved for loans or credit cards. In this video, you'll clearly understand hard inquiry versus soft inquiry in 2026, how they affect your credit score, and how to avoid unnecessary damage when applying for credit. Let's get straight into it. A credit inquiry happens when a bank or lender checks your credit report. But here's where it gets interesting. There are two types, soft inquiry and hard inquiry, and they behave very differently. Let's start with soft inquiries. A soft inquiry happens when your credit is checked for informational purposes. For example, when you check your own credit score, or when a company pre-approves you for an offer. If Alex in Mumbai checks his score on a finance app, that is a soft inquiry. It does not affect his credit score at all. Now here's the key takeaway. Soft inquiries are invisible to lenders in most approval decisions. They are safe and harmless. But here's the problem. Many people think all credit checks are harmless. That is not true. Now let's talk about hard inquiries. A hard inquiry happens when you apply for credit. This includes credit cards, personal loans, home loans, or car loans. When Jake in the US applies for a new credit card, the bank performs a hard inquiry to evaluate his risk. Now here's where it gets interesting. A single hard inquiry can slightly reduce your credit score temporarily. It usually has a small impact, but multiple hard inquiries in a short time can signal risk to lenders. So if someone applies for 5 credit cards in 1 month, banks may think they are desperate for credit. That can reduce approval chances. But here's the good news. Hard inquiries do not last forever. They usually stay on your credit report for about 2 years, but their impact on your score reduces over time. Now let's make this practical. If you are planning to apply for a loan, avoid applying for multiple credit products at the same time. Space them out. This keeps your credit profile clean and stable. Also, always check if a service is doing a soft check before you apply. Many apps now show eligibility using soft inquiries, which is safe. Now here's a powerful insight most people miss. 1 or 2 hard inquiries are completely normal. Lenders expect them. The real problem is frequency, not the inquiry itself. So to wrap it up, soft inquiries are harmless and invisible, while hard inquiries are visible and can slightly affect your score. But both are manageable if you apply smartly. If you understand this difference, you avoid unnecessary credit damage and improve your approval chances for loans and cards. If this helped you, like the video, comment your country so I can make more detailed credit guides, and subscribe for more simple finance explanations that actually make credit easy to understand.